Hey guys, Sushi Stew back on here today. I'm going to show you how to install Quake 3 from the last video I did. We're going to side load the bar, and this time we're going to use a new tool, BBH tool. It's for your smartphone but also for your Playbook. As you can see here, we have our Playbook tool inside BBH tool. So start off here, we're going to want to download all the files, Quake 3 pack0.pk3. If you want, you can download BBH tool. I'll have that in a zip file, as well as DDPB installer, which you may have used before, and I've got videos using that for side loading. So you can download all of those that you need, and there will be a link for custom maps for Quake 3 that people have already made. So once you've downloaded everything, connect to your Playbook to USB, turn on development mode. As you can see here, on BBH tool, Playbook must be in development mode for any of these options to work. On the little screen you can see I'm already in development mode. It's turned on. I'm going to open it up. Now you can see development mode address there, so we need to change the address in BBH tool to match the Playbook. Insert the password that you made, and here you can drag and drop files, or you can select the Add Files button. My computer's a little bit slow since I'm recording, so I'm going to select Add Files button. So we're going to side load in Quake 3 to start with BBH tool. So open, make sure you check the box, and see we have the buttons down here, and launch the bar after file, display event log. You can have the install as soon as it's dragged and dropped, boom, it's installed. But I like to see what I'm doing, so now I can hit install, and we wait for it to finish. And this is the first time I've used BBH tool, so I don't know how long it will take. Shouldn't be that long. The nice thing about the other program, DDPB installers, it does give you the size of the bar file it's loading and somewhat of a progression of what it's doing. This one has a bar but doesn't give us any info. Down on the bottom you can see, oh, there we go, it is all done. We can exit the app if we want to. You can go to your Playbook and see that you have the Quake 3. It'll be on your main screen at the bottom most likely, but I've moved mine. So there's Quake 3. Next thing you want to do is go into your Playbook files, the root of your Playbook. Mine is connected. So here we go, root of the Playbook. Now we go into the miscellaneous folder. There we are. You can see we have Quake 3 folder, so create a Quake 3 folder, just like you see here. Open that one when you've created it. Create a base Q3 folder, as you see here. Create that one and open it. There we go. And this is where you're going to drag and drop or cut and paste, copy and paste your pak0.pk3 file that you downloaded from me. If you have Quake 3, if you own a copy, you can take this file from your copy. This file is actually from a demo. So if you own a copy of Quake 3, you can take it and use that, and it'll come from a base Q3 folder from where it is installed, and then you just create the Quake 3 base Q3 and install it as you see here. When we get maps, the custom maps, they go in the base Q3 folder. Once you have that done, you can close it and open up Quake 3. I don't have any maps installed. As far as I know, multiplayer, you can download them. I don't have any multiplayer maps. Skirmish, I tried that. It quits on me right away. Right now, only stuff I've tried is these two right here. But as you can see, it works. It looks pretty dang sweet. So make sure you guys test it out, have fun, take some time and get used to the controls. So I am definitely not used to controls. That's for sure. But there it is, guys. Have fun. See you guys later. Thanks for watching.